The goal with this activity is to work on your lower body power. Here's what you're gonna do. Get a box, you're gonna stand on the box. And then from here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna fall off the box, landing on one leg. Now you wanna spend as little time landing on that leg as possible. And so as soon as your foot touches the ground with the landing, it's whole foot, slight knee bend, soft landing, you're gonna do a lateral hop. So for that, if I'm landing with my left leg, I'm gonna drop down and then immediately jump to the side, staying on the left leg. Same thing on that second jump, you want a slight knee bend, whole foot landing, and do it softly. It's gonna look like this. So I'm on the box, I'm gonna fall off with my left, stick it just like that. It's quick, very little time on the ground on that first landing. And if it's easy, then you can progress the distance you jump. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.